This is my planet, Earth. For millions of years, in its most distant forests, its most humid caves, monsters live there since the dawn of time. They are small, but they can cross continents in search of our blood. Apparently, they can transmit terrible diseases to humans. One day, a wise man told me the name of one of them. Aedes albopictus. In his lab, he managed to develop secret plant-based formulations to protect us efficiently against mosquitoes and ticks without endangering our health. From then on, we feel confident and make the most of our outdoor family activities. Efficacy and trust with PARAKITO, mosquito and tick repellents, patented technologies.